Hello, my friends. Today, I have a truly special recipe for you, a powerful, natural skin whitening anti-wrinkle mask made from rice and some natural ingredients. The skin brightening enzymes present in rice and rice water make it a key ingredient in Japanese and Korean beauty rituals. It is known to fade dark spots, blemishes, and brighten up the complexion for a clear and smooth texture. Rich in antioxidants, rice water has shown to inhibit the action of elastase, a compound that causes damage to elastin in your skin and leads to premature aging. That is why rice water can safely be used to delay and reduce the appearance of aging signs on the skin. The next ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera is a cactus-like plant that grows in desert regions around the world. Its leaves produce a gel that is rich in vitamins A, C, E, and B12. Aloe vera has natural soothing and moisturizing properties that can help improve skin complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. It also contains antioxidants that promote a healthy and radiant complexion. Aloe vera is a powerful moisturizer, helping to keep skin hydrated and supple, which can make fine lines and wrinkles less noticeable. Aloe vera contains compounds that can stimulate collagen production, a protein that provides skin with structure and elasticity, thus reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Aloe vera has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that can help heal damaged skin and reduce irritation, contributing to a smoother, more youthful appearance. Rice is believed to help brighten the skin and reduce hyperpigmentation, leading to a more even skin tone. Rice water contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit the skin. Aloe vera contains antioxidants that can help protect skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can accelerate the aging process and lead to wrinkles. The rice water helps to gently exfoliate dead skin cells, while the aloe vera extracts provide a soothing and moisturizing effect. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, which can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, a factor that contributes to aging and wrinkles. Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties that can help calm irritated skin and promote natural healing, potentially reducing the appearance of scars and fine lines. I know people are watching from all over the world, and I'd love to know, where are you from? Write your country in the comments. Also, tell me about the most popular skincare remedy in your country. Maybe you have unique beauty traditions or natural ingredients that people have been using for generations? Share your secrets. I'd love to learn something to make this mask even better. Now, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Starch has an amazing ability. It can turn a liquid into the perfect creamy consistency. As we mix and heat it, the mask will thicken into a smooth, easy-to-apply texture, ensuring it stays on the skin without dripping. A simple but powerful ingredient. When we heat the mixture of rice and aloe vera, something amazing happens. The heat helps release even more beneficial compounds, making our mask even more effective for the skin. When heated, these nutrients become more active, helping the skin absorb them even better. Plus, warm rice water has a soothing effect, reducing puffiness and calming irritation. Aloe vera gel, on the other hand, contains lycopene, one of the most powerful antioxidants for skin health. Heating aloe vera enhances the release of lycopene, making it even more effective in fighting free radicals, preventing premature aging, and protecting the skin from environmental damage. Now, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air and binds it to the skin, providing long-lasting hydration and a fresh, youthful glow. Honey's anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritated skin, redness, and even help with minor sunburns. Honey's antibacterial properties can help fight acne and prevent the spread of bacteria, making it a natural remedy for acne-prone skin. Now, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil and 20 drops of vitamin C oil. When used together, vitamin C and E offer synergistic antioxidant benefits, enhancing skin protection against free radicals and UV damage, potentially leading to a brighter, more youthful complexion. Vitamin C and E work together to neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage skin cells and contribute to aging. The combination of these vitamins is more effective in preventing photo damage, sun damage, than either vitamin alone. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, a protein that provides skin with structure and elasticity, while vitamin E helps protect collagen from damage. Vitamin C can help to brighten the skin and reduce the appearance of dark spots, while vitamin E helps to hydrate and protect the skin, leading to a more radiant complexion. This means our mask will not only nourish and hydrate the skin but also help keep it youthful and glowing for longer. A perfect combination of nature and science, all in one simple homemade treatment. Don't forget to give this video a like. Your support really helps and motivates me to create more amazing skincare recipes for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now. You might never find this channel again, and I don't want you to miss out on more powerful beauty and health tips. To apply, take a small amount and gently massage it onto clean skin, covering your face and neck. Let it sit for about 30 minutes so all the nutrients can absorb deeply. Then, rinse it off with warm water and enjoy the soft, glowing skin. For the best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice your skin becoming more hydrated, firm, and radiant. I'll store this mask in a glass jar to keep it fresh for longer. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Guys, I'm really curious what kind of skincare masks or treatments interest you the most. Do you prefer deep hydration, anti-aging remedies, or something that brightens and evens out your skin tone? Now, let's get started with our second mask. Flaxseed contains alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce inflammation. This is one of the key benefits of flaxseed for skin, as inflammation can cause various skin problems, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. The high content of omega-3 fatty acids in flaxseed helps to maintain the skin's moisture and hydration levels, keeping it soft, supple, and youthful looking. Flaxseed's antioxidant content can help combat free radicals, which contribute to skin aging and the formation of wrinkles and fine lines. Lignans, potent antioxidants found in flax seeds, can help brighten and lighten the complexion. Flaxseed oil can soothe irritated skin and reduce redness. Flaxseed oil may help manage acne by reducing inflammation and regulating sebum production. It even excels at inducing a glow on your face. This is because it's rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids that lighten scars and pigmentation and reveal clearer, healthy-looking skin over time. Flaxseed's anti-inflammatory properties even enable it to soothe inflammation and redness quickly. Now I'm prepare a mask for skin whitening. It remove wrinkles, pigmentation, dark spots. Our first ingredient is yogurt, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 3 tablespoons of flaxseed gel. The combination of rice flour, flax seeds gel and yogurt helps in exfoliating dead skin cells, promoting collagen production, and leaving your skin with a refreshed glow. This mask miraculously good to whiten your skin. Yogurt's creamy texture and lactic acid content help hydrate and soothe dry skin, acting as a gentle moisturizer. Lactic acid in yogurt can help gently exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing brighter and more radiant skin. The antibacterial and probiotic properties of yogurt, particularly Greek yogurt, can help balance the skin's microbiome, potentially reducing acne and breakouts. Lactic acid can help improve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Lactic acid can help lighten blemishes and hyperpigmentation, promoting a more even skin tone. Yogurt is rich in vitamins, minerals, and probiotics, which can nourish and revitalize the skin, promoting a healthy complexion. Yogurt may help minimize the effects of ultraviolet (UV) rays. Now, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil, a beneficial addition to a skincare routine, offering moisturizing, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve skin health and reduce signs of aging. Olive oil contains essential fatty acids and squalene, which help to lock in moisture and prevent water loss, keeping skin hydrated and supple. Now, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the air and helps retain it in the skin, leading to better hydration and smoother skin. It mimics the natural oils in your skin, making it an ideal moisturizer for all skin types. Honey's antibacterial properties can help fight acne-causing bacteria and reduce inflammation, potentially clearing up breakouts. It can also help regulate oil production and unclog pores, preventing future breakouts. To apply, take a small amount and gently massage it onto clean skin, covering your face and neck. Let it sit for about 30 minutes so all the nutrients can absorb deeply. Then, rinse it off with warm water and enjoy the soft, glowing skin. For the best results, use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll notice your skin becoming more hydrated, firm, and radiant. I'll store this mask in a glass jar to keep it fresh for longer. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Guys, I'm really curious what kind of skincare masks or treatments interest you the most. Do you prefer deep hydration, anti-aging remedies, or something that brightens and evens out your skin tone? Now, I'm preparing a mask for glowing skin. Our first ingredient is flax seeds gel, 2 tablespoons of flax seeds gel, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 10 drops of vitamin C oil. Flaxseed gel, honey, and vitamin C oil offer a combination of benefits for skin, with flaxseed providing hydration and omega-3s, honey acting as a natural moisturizer and antibacterial agent, and vitamin C oil boosting collagen production and reducing inflammation. A few clinical studies have demonstrated that vitamin C can improve wrinkles. One study showed that daily use of a vitamin C formulation for at least 3 months improved the appearance of fine and coarse wrinkles of the face and neck, as well as improved overall skin texture and appearance. Vitamin C may also help protect the skin from harmful ultraviolet rays when used in combination with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. It has hydrating properties and restores the skin's luminosity. Let me know your thoughts on this mask in the comment section below. Always store the cream in a clean glass jar with a tight lid to keep the cream fresh and effective. To prolong the effectiveness of the nutrients, place it in the refrigerator. For best results, it is important to use the cream regularly. The cream can stay fresh for up to 10 days, so try and use it as often as you can. When applying the cream, ensure you use a spatula or clean hands to avoid contamination. If any changes in smell or texture are noticed, it's best to make a fresh batch. Would you rather prepare everything at once and store larger quantities of skincare products for the long run, or do you prefer to create smaller batches? Share your thoughts with me in the comments section below. I hope these recipes were as interesting to you as they were to me. Remember to stay safe, healthy, and radiant.